When one finds oneself at altitude with inclement weather rolling in, yonder, and inclement clouds abounding regardless of the general location, and you find yourself somewhat secluded with limited supplies dwindling away, necessary supplies, etc. However, we do have fire, and that will help with the whole survival mode. More importantly, survival with the appropriate coffee, or preferably espresso grind. We will not use the subpar type of coffee. We'll be using the Death Wish, and we've had to crack into the survival kit coffee, pre-ground coffee that came in the armored transportation device. We've got it loaded into the maker. We won't be using the fire yonder. Instead, we'll be using this handy device, and it's preloaded with H2O and the appropriate grinds for Death Wish coffee. Go ahead and place the survival-like titanium tumbler in place. We will attempt to initiate sequence on the coffee maker. Does not seem to want to activate. Nothing worse than a defective coffee maker. We may have to just get out the matches and actually crack into that fireplace to heat it up. Wait a minute. Appears that we have an initiation sequence on the coffee maker. We do have a light. We have a light. And based upon the sounds emanating from the Hamilton Beach maker, we just may have some Death Wish coffee in a few minutes. Well, we've just experienced the last of the sputtering final stages of the coffee process. Nice full cup of Death Wish Survival Kit coffee. Of course, it's just Death Wish coffee, but like the survival kit aspect, especially when we're running low on requisite supplies. Salute.